Hello, my name is Brock Richards. I'm in accounting 2021. My U number is U719392224. All right, to get started, I made a graph showing all of the states, and it's in descending order. So the lowest here, and then the highest all the way up here. And then requirement 2C is showing the average sales in descending order. This one was the sum of all sales. This one is the average sales, so it's showing, this is obviously the highest average. And then it keeps going down, and then I have the lowest average. All right, this is a requirement 2D. This is counting how many sales they did. It's obviously again in descending order. And then, yeah. All right, here's breaking it up into regions. So North Coastal, South Central, Northern Mountains, North Central, Mid Coastal. And it's showing you how much they sold in each region. So the highest region here, lowest region there. And then this breaks it down even more. The North Coastal, and then it tells you which person sold. So like Ryan sold, his sum of sales was 3,143,888. And then here's a different region. This person's name is Jamie, 2 million, and it shows, it ranks it descending order in each region. And yeah, so you can see, obviously, this region had really high sales compared to the mid-coastal region. So it just, with the colors, it also shows, it gives separation between each region. So that's nice, helps you differentiate what is what. Now here's the regions, and then there's different insurances: professional, auto, home, disability, and life. And they're all color coordinated. And so here's the region: North Coastal, South Central, Northern Mountains, North Central, Mid Coastal. And then so if you go for professional insurance, you see that this is the highest, and then here, and then here. You can see which one is the highest based on where it's at. And once again, color coordinated helps the eye visually see what is most appealing. And yeah, it's broken down again, and it has the numbers right here, so it's easy to see, and it has the sales listed on this. And then here is really, really nice and simple. I changed the color to a purple because I thought that was cool, and it's the sum of sales, but then when you highlight over it, shows you Florida, 910,000, Texas, 809,000, Utah, 851,000. Just kind of like makes it easy to see where the sales are, and when they get brighter, so like over here, it's lighter, so it's not as many sales, but brighter, more sales. New York has high sales. Yeah, it was a really fun project. I learned a lot. It was really cool to see how the graphs changed and getting to use this Tableau software. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you for your time.